Hey everyone, the OnePlus 15 has already shown itself to be a powerful flagship, particularly if you place a high value on gaming performance, but it also costs a significant sum of money. After using the OnePlus 15R as my everyday phone for a whole week, it's evident that this is not a half-hearted cut-down edition. You would actually find it difficult to distinguish between the OnePlus 15 and the 15R at first glance if you put them side by side. The camera hump, which is somewhat simpler on the 15R due to the smaller camera hardware, is the most noticeable visual difference. With a weight of about 215 grams and that familiar, contemporary smartphone feel we've all grown accustomed to, the 15R feels comfortingly sturdy in the hand. Additionally, durability has advanced in a positive way. For the first time in the R series, the OnePlus 15R has complete IP68 and IP69 water and dust protection, matching the flagship model. The front is shielded by Gorilla Glass 7i, and a screen protector is pre-applied right out of the box. The ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that OnePlus used in the OnePlus 15 is still among the fastest and most dependable in the industry. One of the best arguments for the OnePlus 15R is its software. It offers the same smooth, seamless experience as the flagship thanks to Oxygen OS 16, running on top of Android 16. The old alert slider has been replaced by the plus key, which is somewhat customizable. The concept of mind space itself is quite useful. You can make voice notes with a long press, and you can save items, games, or articles that you wish to remember later with a single press. With 256 gigs of fast UFS 4.1 memory, storage is enough. Although there is some pre-installed software that you may want to remove, it is by no means overkill. Another attraction is the display. The OnePlus 15R has a 6.83-inch screen with a crisp 2800 by 1272 resolution, complete support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+, and outstanding brightness that endures well outside. Although the screen is slightly bigger than that of the OnePlus 15, the image quality is as remarkable. Compatible games enable high refresh rates of up to 144 Hz and even 165 Hz, providing remarkably fluid action. A stereo speaker system is used to handle the audio, and while it has good clarity and volume, the bass is a little weak. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, which is slightly less powerful than the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 in the OnePlus 15, powers performance. With 12 gigs of RAM, it performs exceptionally well in real-world scenarios. At maximum settings, games like Weather and Waves perform well, maintaining nearly 60 frames per second with just slight drops during high-intensity scenes. Another noteworthy aspect is battery life. The enormous 7,400 mAh battery of the OnePlus 15R is actually bigger than the flagships. The 80-watt handles charging, filling the battery from empty to full in about an hour. The camera performs well, if not exceptionally well. The primary 50-megapixel camera is equipped with the same Sony IMX906 sensor and image processing as the OnePlus 15. Photos with a broad dynamic range, appealing contrast, and balanced colors look great in well-lit environments. In low light, motion can cause blur, but competent handling of well-lit subjects is possible. The OnePlus 15R feels like a highly self-assured mid-range phone that appropriately borrows from its flagship sister after a week of everyday use. That trade-off makes a lot of sense for most people. And the OnePlus 15R is a simple phone to recommend unless you really require the greatest camera hardware or top gaming performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and like. Have a nice day and God bless you.